Your trade journal is a log of all of your trading. It provides a way for traders who want to make money to seriously evaluate themselves. You have now learned about the three main elements involved in successful trading. They are number one, having and executing a good trading plan. Number two, having a good trading system as part of that plan. And number three, keeping a trade journal to be able to review and improve your trading performance and plan. The reason you keep a trade journal is to be able to monitor both the performance of your trading system and your own ability to execute on that trading system consistently. Most often than not, poor trading performance is a result of a trader not following the rules of the trading system. The journal helps to follow that system and the trading plan. However, if a trader doesn't accurately track trades, it becomes hard to judge the performance of the trading plan. So learning to maintain a trading journal and input every trade will help you become more disciplined. The journal will help you learn a lot about yourself as a trader and, of course, improve your trading plan. You'll learn quickly what you're good at, what you're not good at, and the best way to trade specific to you. Only you can figure that out, and that's how you will become a successful trader, through experience and practice. Here's some final advice for you to help you with keeping a trading journal. Number one is always log your trade right before or after you enter the trade, and then log the exit criteria right after the trade ends. Next is to make sure to write down everything and to be honest. If you messed up, log it. You want to be as transparent about everything as you can so you can better evaluate each unique trade and its outcome. Third is to make sure you are aware of your emotions and how they are playing into your trades. Write down how you feel about trades and how you felt throughout the trade. Fourth is your trading journal will help you to train your eye so you can better recognize the ideal setups you want. Stay organized and remember to save pictures of setups to reference later. Fifth is to review your journal often and make any adjustments you think could improve your trading plan. I hope this has helped you to have a vision of how you can keep your own trading plan specific to you, and I hope that this can really help you to evaluate your trading and to improve your trading plan and system and become a better, more successful trader.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.